Good day. I hope you are all doing well. I decided to make a short video because I need to tell you about a problem I ran into with the latest Unreal Engine 5.6 update. It's something I had already noticed in the previous version, and even earlier when I compiled the engine from the source from GitHub. Basically, the mutable plugin for 5.6 is not backward compatible with projects created in 5.5 or below that. And when I say not compatible, I mean the editor will crash the moment you try to open or delete an all mutable object. You can start a new project and create mutable objects for 5.6 without any issues. The problem is with the previous version of the engine, or we'll say with all the mutable objects that you have created in the previous version. And that even includes the official mutable sample project, which as of today has not been updated. That basically makes our project unusable, because neither the mutable files can be loaded nor the project's blueprints, since we have mutable instance inside of blueprints. We reference the CO list or the CO row inside the blueprints, so we can't open the blueprints either. This kind of things happens in Unreal Engine from time to time. We were using an experimental plugin, so I can't say I am too surprised. But now that 5.6 has been officially released and the issues is still there, I need to make a decision about the immediate future of this tutorial. Basically, I have three options. Option number one, stick with 5.5, not update and miss out all the new MetaHuman features, plus risk running into more compatibility issues. Option number two, wait for a fix, which may never come, since mutable works just fine in 5.6, and everyone will just have to start the project from scratch. And finally, update to 5.6, which everything that involves is not easy, and most, if not all of you following the tutorial will likely have to start over. Obviously, I'm going to update, but that means I had to recreate everything we did in mutable from scratch. It didn't take me too long, actually around an hour, but I am worried many of you won't be able or willing to do it, and it will probably take much longer. From what I have seen, there are quite a few changes in mutable, both in features and performance. Therefore, it's definitely worth it. So, the best solution I could come up with was to simply upload the updated 5.6 project to my drive and have everyone follow along from there. I just hope that you haven't added too many extra things to your projects, like custom meshes, textures, or blueprints, because you will have to redo everything. I just finished updating and uploading the project to my drive. I will leave the link in the description. And tomorrow I will fully focus on recording chapter 5 of the tutorial. The chapter is going to be pure code, setting everything up there, enable the initial character, and maybe a few extra things. It's going to be a full-on coding class, but I can't delay it any longer, so I will start recording it tomorrow. So, download the project, and I'll see you in the next class.